Hello friends, welcome to Oliveboard. This is a part 2 or video 2 of Insurance and Financial Markets Awareness Series for LIC AAO 2019. And in this video, we are going to discuss some very important and expected insurance awareness topics or topics related to insurance. So please subscribe to Oliveboard if you haven't for latest videos for all the upcoming videos LIC AAO 2019 exam. So let's start with the definition of insurance. What is insurance? It is a contract or an agreement between an insurance company. So there are two parties, an insurance company, insurer, and a client, insured, who or which want to be insured. So client can be an individual, can be a person, a group of people, or an organization. Now, the example of types of insurance are life insurance, which is the responsibility of LIC. We have health insurance, vehicle insurance, fire insurance, etc. Now, insurance contract is in documented form. Obviously, it cannot be in oral form. It has to be written, it has to be documented somewhere, right? So it is in a documented form, signed by an authority and both the parties, and is represented by a policy in insurance policy. Okay, so this policy states the financial coverage of an insured party, the premium paid, percentage of coverage, and time period. So such thing. So now history of insurance sector, which is very important. One or two questions are expected from history. From the very beginning till now. So the first company in India to offer life insurance is Oriental Life Insurance Company. Don't confuse it with Oriental Insurance Company. This is Oriental Life Insurance Company. Okay, so this organization was mainly to cater the needs of Britishers and other Europeans which were settled in India at that time. Okay, and it was founded in Kolkata in the year 1818. Okay, so it was the first company. The National Insurance Company, this point is very important, guys. Please remember, National Insurance Company, which is still operating, is the oldest insurance company. Okay, and it was founded in 1906. So please remember the year. LIC was founded in 1956 after independence, after the passage of Life Insurance Corporation Act 1956. Okay, so the life insurance business was nationalized in the year 1956. Guys, very important, these two facts. So approximately 250 companies, they got merged. They were operating before LIC was formed. So all of them got merged because the sector got nationalized. So government merged all those companies and formed Life Insurance Corporation. And now this point again, very important, is an union list subject mentioned in the Constitution of India. So Constitution has a union list, then states list, which is the prerogative of respective states, and concurrent list. So union and the union government and state government both have say in concurrent list subjects. So insurance is a union list subject mentioned in the 7th schedule. So these union list, state list, and concurrent list is mentioned in 7th schedule of Constitution of India. Now JIBNA is again very important. Life insurance was nationalized in 1956 through Life Insurance Act, Life Insurance Corporation Act, and JIBNA, General Insurance Business Nationalization Act 1972. Here is very important, nationalized general or non-life insurance business. Okay, so now in 72, both kind of insurance businesses were nationalized. It came into effect on 1st January 1973, and more than 100 companies amalgamated or merged to form 4 public sector insurance companies. Okay, so 4 public sector insurance companies. NIC, National Insurance Company, was already there, a company by the name National Insurance Company, but till that time it was private. Okay, so General Insurance Corporation was formed as a result of JIBNA, and it acted as a holding company. It was not doing any business itself, but Under GIC, there were 4 companies remained. Okay, so these 4 companies were a result of merger of hundreds of companies. So Oriental Insurance Company, New India Assurance, National Insurance and United India Insurance. So these 4 insurance companies. So for these companies, the year of formation is important. Their head or the chairman is very important and their headquarters are important, which we are going to discuss in our next video. So no need to worry. Okay. Then R.N. Malhotra. So next big milestone, and I think the biggest milestone, the fruits of which we are seeing now, is R.N. Malhotra Committee on Insurance. So if there is a mention of any committee in insurance sector, any big committee, this is R.N. Malhotra Committee. So till early 1990s, 91, 92, 93, insurance sector was closed for private companies. So no private companies were allowed to conduct business in insurance sector. For life insurance, LIC was there. For general insurance, these 4 companies are there, Oriental and the 3 others we just discussed in previous slide. So public insurance companies, they enjoyed monopoly till the early 1990s. Okay, so this, obviously we all know that monopoly or monopolistic nature in an industry, it kills competition. Okay, so the benefits were not being transferred to the clients or to the stakeholders, to the consumers, to the public at large. Okay, and these insurance companies, the insurance penetration was not reaching till the end point, till the rural villages. So the committee was formed for suggesting reforms in insurance sector in 1993, headed by Mr. R.N. Malhotra. He was a former governor of RBI. The report was submitted in 1994 and committee suggested many reforms and recommendations, which we are going to discuss now. Suggestions: decontrolling insurance sector by allowing private companies. So, sir, please allow private companies. This was suggested by R.N. Malhotra Committee. Then restructuring of LIC and also GIC. GIC was holding as a mere holding company. It was not conducting any business directly. Okay, then setting up of IRDA as an autonomous and regulating body on the lines of SEBI. SEBI was already formed for securities markets. So for insurance market, for insurance industry, let's form a body called IRDA, which will govern the insurance sector. Obviously, a governing body is required for any sector, right? Reforms to speed up the settlement of claims. Settlement of claims, the time frame was very poor. Okay, so reforms to speed up the settlement of claims. Foreign companies should be allowed, preferably through joint venture with Indian companies. Then GIC to stop being holding company of the 4 subsidiary companies. So there was a new role suggested for GIC. GIC to function exclusively as reinsurance company. Okay, so we will be discussing reinsurance in detail in our coming videos. It is an important topic and questions are expected from reinsurance. So we will be discussing it in detail. So Indian reinsurer registered under Companies Act. Then foreign companies were allowed in 2000. So this was a result of R.N. Malhotra Committee report. IRDA was created in 1999. We have already discussed it in our first video. Foreign companies were allowed in 2000. Year 2000, joint venture with an Indian company. Okay, so there are many foreign companies conducting business right now. So 26% is it was the limit which a foreign company could have in the joint venture company. So FDI limit in insurance sector was 26% till recently. Okay, what is the new limit? We will discuss. GIC was restructured and converted to national reinsurer in the year 2000. All 4 subsidiaries were made independent companies. They are conducting general insurance business. So currently, this is the state in 2018-19 in life insurance business. Number of life insurance companies are total 24. One is LIC and 23 other private plus joint venture companies. And in general insurance business, 31 companies are there. 6 public sector companies are there. Important is AICIL for agri insurance. We will be discussing about AICIL. And ECGC for export import sector insurance. We will be discussing about ECGC also. Then 4 companies we have already discussed. Okay, and rest all are private companies. Now this is very important, guys. One question is expected from this slide, and the most important question which can come is the FDI limited insurance sector, which was recently increased to 49%. Okay, in 2015. 4 public sector in general insurance companies were allowed to raise capital. Government stake will, they till 2015 they were 100% government companies till now also, but now government stake can be trimmed to 51%. Why 51%? So that the controlling stake remains in the hand of government. Okay, at 49% you can raise capital through share markets or through other routes. This is to expand business. Obviously companies will get money, they can expand their business and coverage in rural and unserved areas. Foreign companies in reinsurance business can set up branches. Till now only GIC was conducting reinsurance business. Now foreign companies are also conducting from last 2-3 years. Okay, world's largest reinsurance company is Munich Re from Germany. MUNICH Re is the number 1 reinsurance company in the world, and it is conducting business in India. The Life Insurance Council and General Insurance Council have been made self-regulating bodies. So these are the main features or main amendments. Now at the last MCQ, what is the rank of GIC Re in the list of top 40 global reinsurance groups released by S&P Global Ratings in 2018? Very important question. So you have to answer this and put the answer in comments. If you don't know the answer, you can Google it, and you will also find which is the largest company in the world, which I've already told, Munich Re. Okay, so all the very best, guys. Keep preparing. Friends, please like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to Oliveboard YouTube channel. Thank you.